the most important thing during the endo treatment is the harmony. Harmony between dentist, the devices, and patient. My name is Dr. Martin. I have been dentist for 21 years. I have my office in Sokolov, Czechia. I love Intego. It represents an excellent combination of ergonomy and functionality. Two things that fascinate me are integration of endomotor and apex locator into the unit, and secondly, the patient position during the treatment. As endodontics is integrated into the unit and all the endo functions are preset for rotary, reciprocating, apex locator, the work is super easy and super fast. When the Intego unit is occupied, I switch to portable X Smart Pro endomotor and apex locator, so it's no problem. The apex locator is a key device for me. I can just grab it, use it, and give it back. There is no need to prepare device before treatment. I prefer ProTaper Ultimate because of the possibility to treat variety of canals and because of safety. It's a very comfortable unit, it's easy to use, it's easy to clean. I'm just happy.